Wait, is Reliance responsible for the massive energy crisis India is facing today? Let me tell you about a promise Reliance made 17 years ago and how it went horribly wrong. Welcome to day 29 of 100 Days of Sector Snippets. In 2009, Reliance discovered the KG-D6 block. It's a giant natural gas mine deep under the water off the Andhra coast. They promised this single project will double India's gas output. And at first, it worked like magic. They started extracting gas in a record 6.5 years when the global average was 10 years. Soon, they were pumping out 60 million cubic meters of gas a day. Reliance alone was producing 40% of India's gas, and our gas import dependency had dropped to below 20%. Everybody was thrilled. But then 2011 happened. The output started declining. The government, Reliance, everybody thought that this was temporary and would recover. But it never did. The production kept falling, and by 2020, the production crashed to near zero. Reliance says the fall in production was due to geological problems in the deep water field, that water and sand started seeping into the reservoir, and that dropped the pressure faster than expected. But there are also serious controversies around this story. A few years earlier, the Ambani brothers had split, and Mukesh Ambani's Reliance had promised to sell gas to Anil Ambani's power plants at a very low fixed price. Later, when the market prices went up, Reliance argued that the earlier price is not even covering its cost. So, critics argued that Reliance had an incentive not to push KGD6 production because a higher supply would have meant lower prices, and that would put an increased pressure on Reliance to sell cheap gas to Anil Ambani. So, reports say that Reliance may have deliberately kept the output low. While all this was happening, India's demand for gas, which we need for electricity, fertilizer, CNG, kept growing. And to bridge that gap, we started heavily importing gas again, crossing 50% dependency by 2020. And I wouldn't say that this is Reliance's fault alone. This is a sector failure. Government giants, ONGC and Oil India, they produce 66% of India's gas. ONGC owned the block right next to Reliance, and they barely produced anything for years. Even a modest output increase by them would have made a huge difference today. Anyway, we started importing the bulk of our natural gas, and the scariest part was that nearly half of that came from Qatar alone. And now, with the Iranian attack on Qatar's energy infrastructure, it has damaged one-fifth of its gas export capacity, which could take 5 years to repair. Now, even if we were to chase alternative supply from US or Australia, that would not only be much costlier now, but would also mean higher logistics cost because of the increased shipping distance compared to West Asia. Some analysts are already calling this India's 1991 moment for energy security. What do you think?